Good morning, welcome to vlog number 2. So if you've seen the first one, it's probably just travelling stuff, nothing too interesting. Today is more of the event day. So it's actually travelling to Mondello and seeing what action there is. Obviously there's a car show, like stalls and stuff, and then obviously some like drift practice and stuff. I don't think there's actually any events on today. Really tired, it's not good start to the day, but have coffee. The beds are really nice in the hotel, so that's always a win. Me and Greg are heading up soonish. It's like 7:45 currently, so it's not actually that early, but it's just because we went to bed at like 1:30. So it's just tiring. I have a great view out the window though, which is always good. Look, spin you around. It's the S15. You don't get a better view than that out of your hotel, of the car you're travelling in, which is wicked. And there's a play park if you get bored, which I'm not bored. But yeah, plan is head out shortly. Then we're going to a shop, and then we're going to go to Mondello, and I'll keep you updated on the ride. The boys will join us up in a bit because we get there a bit early because we're showing the car. Obviously they're just coming as normal like spectators, so join up with them and just enjoy the vlog really. So let's get to it. Would not recommend buying Tesco meal deals. I had a look. They were horrific choices. My voice sounds awful. Craig's going to make me ill. Good job. I've got these drinks, remember. If you remember from yesterday's vlog, I bought loads of these random drinks. I didn't show on the vlog that I bought loads, but I just mentioned that I bought loads. So for breakfast, I'm having a vanilla breakfast drink, which is really exciting. Yeah. The other was a diet. The selection was just not the one, and the snacks, so it's not the UK. Could have been the specific Tesco we went to, but the main reason we went was for drugs for Craig, but there was not said drugs, so. But he's just found some in the car, so we're all gravy. You may ask what vanilla breakfast drink tastes like. Tastes like vanilla milk. Not oaty actually, because the other ones are really oaty, unless this just isn't an oaty drink, and I've assumed it is, but... Anyway, so the LZ World Tour now. Enough of me rambling stuff that you don't want to see that. Finally made it to Mondello Park. We've seen some quite cool cars on the way. I've tried to capture the ones that I've been able to get that you would have seen, like this Bad Boy Fiesta, Best Car of Show Award. Wow, Mark II MX-5 for the lovers of them out there. I know there's one that'll be watching. Oh yes, Mondello baby. There's like Ganadors too. There's the Evo that came past us again. And a fucking Laurel. Wow. Can't see the Laurel, but we'll get the Laurel when it goes past. Look at that beauty. Woo. The Laurel. Look at that beautiful barge. You don't see any of them. No. It's got them, I don't know what them wheels are called, but they're like, I've seen them before and stuff. They're like really like tricky to pull off, I find, on some stuff, but that is the stuff that pulls it off. MR2s.
Yellow.
Oh.
It's thick and yellow.
Wow, that is really cool. I like that.
You need to buy one.
Buy a MR2 Maria, this is your sign. Just in the queue is just an overload of really cool cars. Like, there's a Supra behind us. There's been many RX-7s drive past. There's been Laurels, Chasers, everything. This is wicked, and we're just in the queue currently. Look at this bad boy, something a bit different. Very nice. There's an LS400, and there's a Fiesta ST. We love Fords. Yeah, that's fine. We're finally here. Oh yes. This is going to be sensory overload of really cool cars. Then it's just go, look at that. Look at that. Wow. Finally here. We had to look at all the stuff pre-event, I suppose, as people are cleaning their cars, set it up, etc. Which is pretty cool. That's wicked. It's just going to be me like, that's cool, that truck's wicked. That's like the Hot Wheels truck, but real life truck. I don't know what they're even called. I knew it was. It's the one that we saw when we come in. I was like, look, carbon Kevlar, and it is. That is immaculate, is what I give that. It's exactly what I want. I had £1 million, so expensive. Got the Drift Games 10, you got the LZ 10, you've got the Link ECU 10, so much stuff. It's very, very cool. Wow, it's the Liberty Walk S15 but with no livery now. Interesting. The Pandem, oh no, PS13. Yeah, I don't even know what cars are. That's wicked. It's like factory, which you don't see, which is awesome. There's so much good shit here. It's like all the Garage D cars, Group D even, not bad. But a lot of really, really cool stuff. I'm not going to film too much like pre-stuff because I'll wait for the boys to get in. We'll do like a proper walk around thing. So I don't want to be like, we've seen every car now and we don't know what to do. So we can walk around and get boys' comments. I've seen there's a lot of LS400 stuff, which Alex is a massive fan of LS400, so we can be like, buy one of these, look how cool they are, etc.
And forcefully push him to buy it.
Forcefully push him to get one, and then you can question Gebby on what stuff is that he has no idea what they are. Yeah, well, probably jump to meeting the boys unless I see something particularly special that I want to film before then, but we're just kind of walking around at the minute, just sort of seeing what's here. We have been reincarnated with the group now, which is good. We've regrouped with the boys because public opening is now. Geb's beelined off to look at Lamborghini because Gebby is Lamborghini man and McLaren. Apparently, he's very happy. I mean, that is really cool, to be fair. I don't think I've actually seen one of these in person. Like, it's very aesthetically pleasing, isn't it?
It would be if Geb was out of the way.
Yeah, we can't.
Doing Craig photo. Oh my god. Sideways as well. So when he opens his Snapchat, he has to go.
Gebby photo.
Nice.
That's what Gebby did. And he wants to look at the McLaren as well. That's Gebby. What Gebby came for? Doesn't want Japanese. He wants. He's got his brolly. He looks quite professional today.
Lewis has got his snap on.
They should get Gebby in the lounge and interview him. Right, see ya.
He shook his head at it, pound.
Oh.
Poor fit.
Disapproves.
Yes.
Yes. It's a yes from Gebby.
Yes.
Is that best car show so far?
It's the first guy he's looked at.
Nah.
Just had a wasp.
Civic.
Yeah.
Scott would love that. I need to get a photo for Scott.
This is for Scott. They appreciate this,
Scott
Scott.
watched the YouTube video.
He might watch it. He can appreciate that. We'll walk around it quickly for
Yeah,
Scott.
let's have a walk around for Scott. Shout out to Scott. Rest in peace, Scott.
He's not dead.
No. One but never forgotten. One seat.
I like the trailer that matches as well.
Wow.
You can't see and it's a bit dark, I apologise, but you can imagine what it looks like.
Skyline.
I like that.
Yeah, absolutely.
Wicked, I like that. He's been driving around the pits all day. He drove around earlier. Where's Gebby gone? Where is Gebby?
Luke Craig over there.
They're the Beamer.
There they are.
They're the Beamer.
It's because he wanted to look at the McLaren.
Look at the air filters.
Oh yeah.
Didn't even notice that.
I didn't. I wouldn't have noticed if you hadn't said. This,
What, the one
oh,
sky?
the R32, yeah, that's like on Blitzo 3s are massive. This is immaculate, right?
Yeah, this is amazing. Holly
Yeah.
doesn't like it.
What?
And she doesn't understand what carbon Kevlar is
I
though.
don't like the colour.
Even if it was just a painted colour, it'd be wicked.
Look at the wheels. They're not even matching.
Craig said it's not got an engine or a box in it, apparently. It's just here.
Just shout.
Apparently.
It's got the rad though, so it can stay cool.
Yeah. I assume they just kind of wanted to show it off, which is fair enough.
I assume they're showing it off before they
Look
like
under the bonnet.
Oh, can you see under the bonnet? Oh, through the vents.
Down under
There's
the
no
bonnet.
gear sticks there.
They don't need a gear stick, it's auto, isn't it?
It's got the sequential transmission, pal.
the hydro's not plumbed up.
No, that's a sequential transmission.
I kind of overlooked all that, to be fair, when I looked at it. I can see through that way now.
Spring.
Oh, Gabby, get a couple, pal. Cheers, mate.
refill it, alright.
We've now gone different tour side thing. We were in the queue for the Adam LZ clothing, but they didn't have anything of interest that wasn't like exclusive rubbish, as Holly says. What? Where? Oh yeah, it's a bit of Gebby, Lamborghini Urus. Trying not to film the ladies.
Looking at it though, isn't that crazy?
I was trying to film the cars like there's a woman stood there. I don't want to be like shove my camera at some woman. What's 11? What engine's in that, pal?
A big one.
Correct. Win. You win a prize.
I like the bonnet. I think that's what Luke's went in.
What? Mexico? It was, yeah. Wow, the colour on that is wicked. Holly approves of this one. It's like the Barbie film car, Holly.
Yeah. Making TikToks.
And they just got me screaming over it.
It's like the Barbie car. That is sick. If I have
Like, because they're people with taste. It's like the most barges that you'll ever see at an event, like, because you just don't get it anywhere.
That's a beautiful colour.
It's so cool, isn't it?
Yes. I like the colour.
This is a bit of Gebby.
Yeah, I like the monster. I was on about that blue
What?
thing.
Oh, just you like that, yeah?
I do like that.
Yeah? Gebby appreciating Jap cars now.
I did some nails that
What
colour
is
not
it?
long ago.
It's just another chase and chase the next 100. That's what a lot of these
I was
are.
just making sure that you knew that was
I'm
all.
glad that you were checking, Geb. Obviously, checking that I know what I'm on about.
Yeah, you don't know.
I don't know where I am.
You are in England, man.
Yeah. We had one on the motorway when we were coming down. Like,
Well, this morning.
yeah. I couldn't tell you what it is. It's a Datsun
Racist is a crown.
Crown. Yeah. Same vibe, isn't it? An old crown.
Too old for me though.
An old crown, pal. Craig said.
Yeah, old crown.
Shop for a new monster. So that is lovely.
Yeah. I feel like they get so overlooked though, these like events,
Yeah.
because they don't as interest me as much.
It's yellow as well, which
Yeah.
is not a too looked at. Yeah, but
Oh, the pit area. Wow, the pits where all the cool people hide out.
James Dean.
Oh, they got Thrift HQ banners. Want one of that? Take one for the unit. Get me one, Lewis.
If you were off, would you? You wouldn't say that off, would you, pal? Yeah. Because we had to queue for ages to get in.
I don't know if they're car but not yellow anymore or just different.
This colour.
Oh.
Too red.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I know it's been this colour.
The wing mirror's moved into the incorrect position.
It's substantial 86 is like probably one of my favourite ones.
Where's Gebby gone now?
He's over there.
Imagine, he's just run off into the pit area.
Probably like wandered off.
If you walk in with confidence, you can walk anywhere.
Mark 4, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Lewis is now coming in clutch with
Mark
the.
4,
Yeah.
I'm a fan of Mark 4s, even 5 door, that's quite cool. I'm like, I know it's not Jap car
A lot of
cool or
things that
anything,
aren't
but
Japanese are sort of there. I'm not very
Yes,
good
Mark
with
4
these
Golf,
Jap
my
cars.
favourite.
I love Mark 4 Golf.
Yes.
I would like
Is
one.
that what I had? Was a Mark 4? What was the shape I
It was
had?
a Mark 4.
Was it? I'm a big car
Yeah,
enthusiast, you
PD.
know. PD 130.
Yeah, the last Golf they did with a PD.
what the? It's got BMW engine.
BMW V8 in it.
BMW. like me.
I like the how the plate's like sucked under the car, but meant to be.
The whole thing is. Kevy's here. What's the effect?
Oh,
Wow. Patina. Patina, yeah. Hello.
says it all.
What is it?
This store massively interests me for obvious reasons. Very cool. RC drifting.
It's like majorly a bit of me. I would never own it. It's gonna caddy.
Yeah, we've seen loads of strong wheels everywhere. We love these.
Wow.
We like strong wheels, just like mine and Craig's car. Everyone else that owns strong wheels.
What is it?
Car sounds.
Jesus Christ.
I don't know what that. Yeah. Debbie approves.
I want that. What's the newer team? College.
I know, yeah, this is nice.
Huh? Why?
Very smart.
I don't know. They've just got
Ah, T37s as well. It's got the blue seats in it. Oh, so luxurious.
I love those things.
Shame you can't see it through. Yeah. I wouldn't ever buy them though if the car didn't come with them.
The orange, I prefer those.
Oh, the orange ones are weird.
I like the orange. The dash is quite cool.
Well, the dash comes orange.
You know where there's the like silver for the gauges.
Yeah. Oh, that one. Oh, okay, that's pretty quite cool. This is gorgeous. I find this is like the only way to do these properly though. Like you can't deviate too much from that, and they kind of look a bit funky.
I want it.
So much nice stuff. I like when they leave like
I
little
think my
things in the
biggest
car.
mistake was not buying a 32 GTR when I bought a Subaru.
Yeah, well, we are where we are now, Craig.
We've still got a cool car, so.
Can't take the VW boys away from the VWs. It's the same group, pal. It's the same group.
that guy now.
It says don't touch, pal. Nah. Oh, yeah. Yeah. It is an NSX, yeah.
Yeah, wicked.
Did you know that, or did you look at the back of it?
Does it say on the back of it?
Oh no, maybe.
More than like, let me just.
Good job though, if you got that right.
You go that way again, just so. Thank you.
I love the kit on that though. I love fenders that are like
Wicked,
that.
innit?
They're like they always remind me of the Skyline fenders.
Oh, it's great.
They just stick out. They're probably T37s, pal. If yeah, they are because it says Volks on the back one, but not on the front one.
That is wicked. I like that.
That's why I don't like Bowler B1s, pal,
Yeah,
because
because
they're just fakes of a really desirable wheel.
Rare loot
It
wheel.
upsets me. And you're them people.
I've still got standard Renault wheels, pal.
Because you can't afford Bowler B1s, pal. That's why. Give him a deal.
Is that you?
It's fine, you can walk through it, it's fine. This is Lewis, his dream car, probably.
Are they 24s? Yes, they are.
Are they actually? Yeah. Massive. Lewis, educate. This is your time to shine, Lewis. This is your time to shine, Lewis.
It's a Clio V6.
What does it do?
It's a mid-engine rear-wheel drive Clio.
Wow.
Race car. They're very rare and desirable. And I would love one.
They do look cool, to be fair.
They're like factory standard one.
It just looks like your car, but someone spent like 20 grand doing it all.
Yeah.
That's what it looks like to me. So like, funky looking.
So obviously when you look at the Lamborghini, it's chicken juice.
You left the cheese on the floor, pal.
Food update. Gabby bought a burger and dropped it on the floor. Sad. Rate the burger, Gabby. Review.
It's not £20.
Not 20 quid.
Not 20.
Not even 10 quid, to be honest. But
What's your food? What do you get?
Dijon's and chips, £10.
Holly got sausage and chips. Have to charge extra for that. What do you think of the burger, pal?
It's alright. It's probably
Yeah.
£6 worth, but not for £10.
Yeah, I also had one by Ethics. I couldn't film and eat because I only
The
have
cheese
one
is a
hand.
bit waxy.
Not a pound for cheese, but we're there. We needed to eat, so
What the hell? £1 for cheese. Scandalous.
Yes. Craig's gone to sit in the car, but we'll be back soon with the gang whilst we eat. I'm not going to film everyone eating because it'll be a bit weird, but we'll be...
We're going to turn the camera off, pal.
So much Heineken stuff here. So I've got a Heineken, €7, which it actually isn't horrific. It sounds bad because you go, oh, £7, but it's not, it's euro, so it's probably like high £5.
Euro and pound are pretty similar in price.
Possibly, but don't tell me that, Lewis.
He's got to smile when he looks at his bank.
Yeah, on my credit card. Credit card's getting me through.
Credit's free money.
But yeah, there's a lot of Heineken stuff here. Is Heineken from Ireland?
I just couldn't tell you.
Because they have the big building, don't they?
Yeah.
I want to say they are. I don't know. I could be wrong, but yeah.
£1 for a chip, Gab.
This will probably fill me up more than the burger, if I'm honest. I'm going to try a chip. Oh,
Chip review drops in a Heineken.
Nice.
it's a chip.
Food review at the same time.
Food review, chip review. Yeah,
drink
I've
review.
just turned into a food vlog / normal random vlog thing now.
Ricardo.
I'm like your personal assistant. I need to just get the Bonnie now. You know the girls that follow the.
Oh, get people to like stop coming up to me because I'm like
We have a big
doing
food.
stuff. Yeah.
Yeah.
VIP lot.
Yeah, we're here for a bit of a wander now. We'll be at some bits. So hard to not film like everything and then I've got to try and go through all the footage because there's so much stuff going on. It's like there's a model car store we went through, it was cool, but I was like, I'm going to film it because there's just more stuff that I'm like, yeah, but I'm telling you, so now you know that we looked around that, which was cool. Craig's now back and has ice cream.
Oh, that's
Never
only
tried that before.
How much is your ice cream?
Doesn't know. He said too much.
€6.
Is it good?
It's good.
Yeah? That's all that matters. Hopefully it makes his throat better because Craig's dying currently, aren't you, Craig?
Yeah.
Yeah, as you can hear.
Too much of
great.
certain activities that I'm not going to say because we're family friendly.
Family friendly channel.
Top of a show.
But no, Craig's just ill.
I just record normal for themselves. Just a bit rough. Cinematic crying.
This guy before, he's wicked at driving.
V8 lover. No, excuse me.
I don't think they have noise regs for here either.
It's not over.
It's a demo car.
Yeah, we actually wanted to bring his GTR powered Navara around.
Oh yeah. I don't know where they've dug it up from. I've never seen it before.
Who is it, Jake?
I don't know.
Where's he, Craig?
Oh, it's Tess. Tess Week.
Oh Oh, Driftworks woman.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, is it this? Did you add it rats now then? So it used to be black, right?
Yeah. England is my city. Beauty. Hate it. Where's
It like vibrates through you.
my pussy is
Why do you think I like it so much?
It's like a hand job without the hand.
It's like a job.
James Dean's coming out. We're really excited, aren't we, Lulu? You're the only person I can get in because
I love
how tight we are. James.
And here he comes. James Dean. James Dean's my boyfriend.
My chest, JC.
They're all the same, those cars.
Yeah, it's hard, isn't it? They have the Quattro as well, don't they?
Yeah, they do.
Yeah, big boy Quattro.
That's 13 as well.
Come on, Sultan.
I think he dropped a wheel on the gravel run.
Hi guys, so just a quick update. The camera is about dead, so I can't really speak too much. Saying that, I'll probably still ramble and the camera will die and we'll lose the footage anyway. It's about 4:30 now. We have just left. As you can tell, we're currently on the move. We've kind of walked around everything we wanted to see today, so we've walked mainly around a lot of the car show. Watched a bit of the drifting earlier, which you saw. That was the qualifying. We got a decentish spot. I was quite happy with where we sat. I thought it was pretty good. What do you think of the spot we sat in, Craig?
Oh, they were quite good.
Yeah, which I don't think we went there last year, did we, to that sort of corner? So
No, I think you were further up and...
we weren't in. Actually, we weren't even stood together, were we, last year when we watched that? So yeah, that was different. Even getting to be with each other and actually talking about it. But it was really cool to watch him. Obviously, you saw come and get so close to the wall and that sort of stuff. Then they had a bit of a break after qualifying, and then we kind of didn't go back to the drifting because it was kind of packed out. Just kind of enjoyed the car show whilst it was like dead, because we got to walk around it, which I haven't really filmed too much more of, but I know that there's like tomorrow morning stuff which I can film a bit more if I want to with the boys and whatnot. So slash the camera almost dying as well. So but yeah, I'm gonna head back to the hotel now. I'll charge up the camera and I might add in some extra randomness of whatever we get up to or something, but I'm not really too sure where it will lead from here. But yeah, just kind of need to power up a little bit the cameras and ourselves because we're still a bit tired and stuff from the travelling and stuff. So yeah, to the hotel. Panic on my face, like ah. It's because it spins up weirdly because it's not got the LSD on it.
Like, doesn't really do anything, it just running.
It's like, it feels like he's jumping about at the back and like, ugh.